Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that GBP USD currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly we can see that GBP USD previous months closed with this long week monthly candle. Now this long week monthly candle in fact tested an important previous support which turned resistance here, and from that zone we saw that there is a sharp rejection and closed as a long week candle. As a result, this month so far we have seen that once the market opened, the prices started to drop. Now if we closely look at the opening and closing of this monthly candle, we saw that this current monthly candle closed below the previous monthly high or this rejection zone. As a result, the price immediately started to drop. Now as the price started to drop, and if we closely look at, there is a channel here on the lower time frame, and we could see that the price again coming back to the support and going back up before the monthly close. So there is a probability for GBPUSD to continue to drop as NFP coming. Now, if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, GBPUSD also showing bearish price action with this weekly impulse correction, immediate rejection, and then we saw that there is a doji from the weekly perspective. Now this weekly doji is also a bearish. We have seen that series of lower high in that area. Now as a result, this week the market opened with a gap. After a little pullback, the price started to drop in that direction. Now as we see that there is a swing low, this is a very important level of support here on GBPUSD, and we could see that the market may continue to drop to break this low to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the daily time frame on GBPUSD, we can see that from the daily perspective the market is trending towards the downside. With this liquidity gap, the price created this impulse correction. Again we have seen another liquidity gap and the price has dropped again towards the downside. Now we see that there was a daily correction to the daily 20 EMA, and from that zone we saw GBPUSD started to drop, creating series of lower high and lower low, which is a typical downtrending market structure. Now as you can see, as the price started to drop previous day, the price has formed a middleman, which is a complete breakout from this structure. Today so far we have seen initial pullback and the prices start to drop again. As news coming later, we could see a spike to the upside and then continuation to the downside to this support level on GBP USD towards its long-term downtrend. Now if we look at further lower time frame, we have seen that in this 4-hour time frame GBP USD is trending with this massive drop, correction, drop, correction. The price is creating series of lower high and lower low. Now at this point we see that this is where there is a liquidity gap multiple times. The price has broken this support level. As news is coming, what I think that we could see a strong pullback to the upside to this 20 EMA or above this level before dropping back to this monthly support that we are expecting. So as we see that this market already is overextended on the local time frame to the downside, we could see deeper pullback to the upside. As news coming, if we see that GBPUSD has gone up with this news with a spike to the upside, in that situation after testing this level, if we see on the lower time frame giving a suitable entry opportunity according to the rules of our trend following strategy, we'll consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.